Hey guys, just got a quick weekend update. No technicals in this one. But first off, I just want to say thank you to all the new subscribers. That's awesome. I've had 30 or 40 new subscribers in the last week. And that's all thanks to Jaden T, I think. I think he helped me out a bit there by sharing my channel around. Thank you, mate. That was so good. You know, I only need 41 more subscribers. So come on guys, tell your friends, help me out. Should be great. So yeah, we hit 1,000, then that's all that matters. That's all I want, 1,000 subscribers. Anything after that's a bonus. So let's go. Let's go. I gotta go to work. Anyway, 620's getting a present tomorrow. So there'll be a video coming up on that. So bit of mechanical. So yeah, big plans for the old girl. Oh, not big plans, just well, I've kind of seen that the values are going up on them. There was a post put up on the 620 page on Facebook the other day, and people are saying what they're insuring them for, and they're getting insured up in the 20 grand mark now. So I'm going to do some work to it. And it still will be sold because I need something else to work on after that one's finished for you guys to enjoy. So more projects. So that one will be it'll be done, and then yeah, sell it to make fun something else. But anyway, rambling shit. This is what's been taking time away from the 1200 coupe. This I did about a year ago. And it's just come in for a few touch-ups, nothing major. You know, it's been in the motor trimmer, getting headlining and stuff done for about 12 months, and they scratched a couple of things, and a few things needed fixing, but as I said, it was nothing major. But yeah, this was an almost full restoration. I did the complete bodywork and some of the interior, like the dash and all of that. And I pulled it right apart, put it back together, like pulled the motor out, fixed the motor up. It won a trophy at the last All Ford Day, so I'm proud of that. Yes I am, because yeah, I did a pretty big number on it. Hang on, I'm trying to open the hood. You can see it's all completely original. But yeah, nice car. And this one here too, in for a quick respray. So yeah, that'll be done soon. It's got a nice 351 Cleveland, and it sounds pretty healthy. I'm trying to buzz through this video quick because I've only got 20% battery. So yeah, weekend updates. So we'll walk down to what I'm mucking around with right now. Sorry, hay fever's getting to me. I'm a bit sniffly. Strange weather. I can't believe it's still green. All the grass usually has died off by this time of the year. God damn, that makes my heart flutter every time I look at it. But yeah, this is what I'm mucking around with today, my 240Z. Just finalising the last couple of small panels, like the wiper cowl. Someone else had already done a repair on it here on both sides. Oh geez, that's hot. As you can see, so needs a little bit of filler work there. These always need a little bit of filler work. So yeah, them and them. Oh, as you can see, I've started rubbing it down ready for paint. So yeah, it's very close. I've actually ordered the paint. It was supposed to be here Thursday, but it didn't show up. So probably next Thursday. I'm not going to be using it probably for a couple of weeks anyway, but after I've finished those other two panels, I'm going to clean up the inside so I can prime the inside up as well, because I've got to paint all this area up nice. Not so much the front, because that's all going to get covered. I'll probably just paint the front area in black, but this will get done in the body colour, and it'll be all nice and pretty. Particularly the actual boot floor itself, not so much the shocker towers, because they're going to get covered, which means I've got to order an interior from the Z Store Motorsport Auto in America. So I'll probably order that early next year so I can start doing the interior, because I plan on having it painted over Christmas. Yeah, the wheels are all dusty and shitty. I did buy them brand new. Not too concerned about them right now, because I am going to repaint them, because I want to paint them with a satin bronze, a satin bronze lip with a dark black center, just to because I think that'll pop more with the green that I've chosen to paint this thing. Oh, look at that dust. Hang on a minute, 1 second, I just gotta go get something. I am grabbing it right now, just so we can have a better look at this colour. Hang on. I'm repainting this engine bay too, because I only got 50 mils of paint when I got it as a sample to test out the colour. So it didn't go on thick enough because I didn't have enough. But yeah, there's a few spots that are thin. But yeah, it's going to look great. And I should have done it over a black primer, and I did it over a light grey primer, so it didn't help. So yeah, there's some stuff I need to get, like proper bonnet latches, like, yeah, that's alright, I've got that. But that's not quite right. See, they don't line up. So I think that's correct, but that's from a 620. So it doesn't quite line up. But yeah, I need this part. I need that part of the hatch latch, and I need a heater box with heater core. So yeah, I need those parts. I've got brand new lenses, but I'm going to make up the actual lens housings in tin. I've got one lens housing there that I can use as a template. I'm eventually going to get some brand new tail lights for it. But geez, it's getting exciting. It's so close, so close, so bloody close. Anyway guys, I'm going to get into it, and it's getting humid and hot, so I need a drink. Alright guys, anyway, that was my quick update of what's happening with my own personal stuff. Sorry, I'm not going to film it, because applying and rubbing body filler is goddamn boring. Yeah. Anyway, I'm out. Catch you later. See you next week on the 1200 Coupe. We'll be back. See you guys.